உதயம் வர்ணா கலர்ஃபுல் தீபாவளி கலக்குங்கள் உதயம் வர்ணாவோடு லிங்க் இன் டிஸ்கிரிப்ஷன்.
இது என்னது என் கையில கொடுத்துருக்காரு அவரு?
அது ஒண்ணு இல்ல, கீழே போட்டு
இதை நீங்க திருப்பி கொடுத்துடலாம்.
திருப்பி கொடுத்துணுமா?
ஆமா.
கருது சீக்கிரம் வாங்க.
சமீபத்தில் எஸ்டிஆர் அவர்களுடைய டிரான்ஸ்ஃபர்மேஷன் ஃபோட்டோஸ் வீடியோஸ் இதெல்லாம் தான் வந்து பெரிய வைரல் டாப்பிக்காக போச்சு. அவரை ட்ரெயின் பண்ண ஒரு மனிதர் நம்ம கூட இருக்கார். எப்படி எஸ்டிஆரை மீட் பண்ணீங்க? ஹவு டிட் ஹி கம் டு யூ?
Mahat and his wife came to me and he wanted to change his physique. Once he got there, when STR came and saw him on his wedding, he's like, what have you done to yourself? So that was something, that is the same night he met me and you have to do something. Because there's somebody who stood by me all the 4 years. Somebody who never left me all the 4 years. I want to do something for them. Everybody who loves STR has that thing ki, we want him back. So that helped him, that fueled him a lot. Ishwaran look is done. Now Manadu look is there. So I want to deliver something phenomenal there. There are still people commenting that it's Photoshop and all that. That evening look came out from the shooting spot. Now answer. So when the first look came out, Mahat also was there in the caravan, and like all three of us were crying. It was, we just hugged and we just were there in that moment. I will never forget that moment in my life. And
பிஹைண்ட் வேர்ட்ஸ் மாற்றி யோசி வித் அக்னி. சமீபத்தில் எஸ்டிஆர் அவர்களுடைய டிரான்ஸ்ஃபர்மேஷன் ஃபோட்டோஸ் வீடியோஸ் இதெல்லாம் தான் வந்து பெரிய வைரல் டாப்பிக்காக போச்சு. 101 kgsலேருந்து 70 kgs கிட்ட வந்து அவர் ட்ரான்ஸ்ஃபார்ம் ஆன விஷயம் வந்து பெரிய அளவில் பார்க்கப்பட்டுச்சு. அதுவும் எஸ்டிஆரோட டிரான்ஸ்ஃபர்மேஷன் பெரிய அளவில் பார்க்கப்பட்டதுக்கான காரணம் அவரை ட்ரெயின் பண்ண ஒரு மனிதர் நம்ம கூட இருக்கார், சந்தீப். இவர் தான் வந்து அந்த டிரான்ஸ்ஃபர்மேஷன் பின்னாடி.
Thank you so much, brother. Thank you for inviting. Thank you so much. I'm so glad to be here and share this experience.
நம்ம ட்ரைனிங் என்ன மாதிரியான ட்ரைனிங்கெல்லாம் எஸ்டிஆர் கொடுத்தீங்க அதெல்லாம் பேசுகிறதுக்கு முன்னாடி எப்படி எஸ்டிஆரை மீட் பண்ணீங்க? ஹவு டிட் ஹி கம் டு யூ?
Mahat, his friend and an actor, he got married in February. So before that, 6 months before, Mahat and his wife came to me and he wanted to change his physique. So his body was very quickly it used to change, and I was said, in next 4 weeks you will get a six-pack. And like, brother, it's not at all possible. What are you saying? So once he got that, once that trust was developed, built in me, which I told you something and you didn't believe it. It happened. So you can't untrust that whole principle, right? So once he got there, when STR came and saw him on his wedding, he's like, what have you done to yourself? So that was something, that is the same night he met me and we have to do something. And Mahat and Simbu share a very good bond. So when he saw his friend getting, he would have seen him in a different light, but when he saw him transformed, he was like, I want that. I know if I change myself, how many people I can influence, So, and mainly he didn't want a six-pack for himself. He was, he was so, the 4 years of downtime he had, and people gave me so many images of Simbu. But once he told me that it's for X, the purpose he told me, like, I don't want to do it because maybe Mahat did it for movies, for himself. He wanted to look fit and all that. But I want to do it because there's somebody who stood by me all the 4 years. Somebody who never left me all the 4 years. I want to do something for them. So that shook me. And when your purpose is bigger than yourself, automatically things will fall in place. And I happen to be one such block in his life, which in the whole journey it's just been a part of it, and I really loved the whole process of changing him from 101 to 87 on his birthday, February 3rd, and we wanted to get below 90. So that was the first goal. So I like to cut goals into short-term goals, and because when you achieve something, you feel good, and that motivates yourself. That's a nice cycle, right. Feedback loop. So once we got to 87, and everybody who came to his birthday party were like, like the king is back and all that, and this only you're seeing this much. Just imagine what will happen in November. That is what he told in February. Okay. And unfortunately, COVID came March onwards. We couldn't do much. Then he went back to 96 because he's a food lover. And in quarantine, he used to cook and send me pictures and all that. And like, I got a chance to eat his food, and he's an amazing chef. From 96, he called me in June saying that, you know, Sandeep, we have nice, good time. You know, there's no work now. So let's put this time, and, you know, and we were discussing, brainstorming, what do we do in this time? You know, how do we use it effectively? You said 71, but day before yesterday, I'm just coming from Madurai. He's 69.
He's 69.
Yeah. So he's
still
changing,
working out and
changing
still-
by the day. And, you know, it's, you will see next. I don't want to say anything else. You will see. My thing is, you know, I want, for me, next, like, Ishwaran look is done. Now Manadu look is there. So I want to deliver something phenomenal there.
So that's a different look. And
Yeah.
he's working for it.
Yeah.
Wow.
He's high on life, brother, and you know, more than anything, he's enjoying the process. So definitely, you know, he's much healthier, much fitter now. He's able to do whatever he has in his mind, and that gives you a lot of, you know, empowerment.
ஸோ மஹத் மீட் பண்ணும்போது அவர் ஒர்க் பண்ணுற ஸ்டைலை பார்த்து நீங்கள் சொல்லிட்டீங்க இந்த பீரியட்குள்ளே இந்த ஒரு டைம் பீரியட்குள்ளே உங்களுக்கு 6 packs வந்துடும் அப்படின்னு. எஸ்டிஆரை பார்த்தீங்கல்ல முதல்ல எப்படி இருந்தார் அப்படின்னு, அவரை பார்த்து உங்களுடைய முதல் ஜட்ஜ்மெண்ட் என்னவா இருந்தது?
Brother, I was shocked that he was 101 and he was lethargic, and, you know, like whatever you have with overweight issues, and he was not in a good frame of mind, because, you know, you are not yourself when you are overweight. You're heavy, you're carrying more burden and all. The moment, you know, there was a brief period when I was not here, I was in London. I had to suddenly go because I had a seminar there and all that. So once I came back from London, the moment I saw, he has a habit of having 2 watches to track his activity, not one. So he has an Apple Watch and a Fitbit. So he's like, you know, if this is wrong, then we can recheck in this. I want to be doubly sure that how many calories I've burnt. So once, you know, like Mahat and me had a challenge. Mahat was like, you can never change.
Oh.
And I was like, you know, bro,
You must have heard this from many people.
yeah, everybody, not even a single person told me that, you know, you can change him. And, you know, I take challenges very personally. Like, that is my nature. And STR also is like that. Like, he's working for something, he knows that, and he doesn't care about people. If he would have cared about people, what people are saying, he would have not come back like this. So that worked very well. And Mahat was like, you can't change him. I was like, okay, let's see. And Simbu and me were like, okay, I'm going to support you. Let's show Mahat. So it's a nice equation. Like, you know, Mahat also, from day one, he was being like, you know, brother, you change STR, brother. So the challenge mode also was for fun. It was not like, you know, he always wants, you know, because the bond they share is very precious, and everybody who love STR has that thing ki, you know, we want him back. So that helped him, that fueled him a lot.
வெளிலேருந்து பார்க்கும்போது என்ன நடந்துச்சுன்னு தெரியும். ஸ்டார்டிங்கில் இப்படி இருந்தார், நடுவில் இந்த கேப்பில் என்ன ஆச்சுனே தெரியல, அப்புறம் இப்படி வராரு வெளியில். ஸோ வாட் happened in between? What made him stick to the routine?
Brother, initially when November ending December, when I came back from London, it was when he showed me that he's walked 30,000 steps a day. I was mind blown. Like, all the images created by people in my head all went like, you know, okay, gone. Then, you know, we used to start our day at 4:30 in the morning. He used to walk. Sometimes I used to go because I had other works also. Sometimes I used to go. So other times he used to take his friends who were along with him, and, you know, that created everybody in the group to change. You know, 4:30 in the morning we used to go walk, and then after that training, then 1.5 hour of weight training. After that he used to swim. So 4 hours in the morning is done. So we eat, replenish, rest. Again evening, 4:30, 5 o'clock we start training first. Then he loves sports. So he used to play cricket, basketball, tennis. He used to have a coach for tennis, and he likes to learn, and he's a very quick learner. So he decided that I have to do these things. Then I had to just schedule it, and he used to do boxing, you know, like lot of activities, brother. But 8 hours, 7 to 8 hours of training, active training a day from being stationary makes the whole lot of difference. And coming back and, you know, every day and putting in the same amount of effort or even more is commendable. That effort shows in the result. So from, like you said, from 101, we had a goal. February 3rd was his birthday. So he's like, below 90. Sandeep, first shrink me, then we'll build muscle. That was his only line always. He's like, you know, I don't want too much, I don't want muscles like you. Just shrink me. You know, he used to show me Cristiano Ronaldo's photo.
Oh, okay.
So he used to, you know, get inspired by him a lot. 87 we reached on his birthday, and he was very happy. Everybody who came to his birthday party were like, you know, thanking me and all that. But he was like, you know, you wait and watch what will happen in November. So, you know, the whole thing is you should be able to visualize that you want to reach somewhere as an individual. And like I cannot force you to reach anywhere.
Yeah.
You know, as a coach, my only job is to guide you, motivate you, push you when you are down. But vision the whole vision of how I want to be should be yours. He was clear there, and that clarity is what translated to, you know, his shape now.
ஸோ இந்த மாதிரி ஒரு ரிசல்ட் வரணும்னா ஒர்க் அவுட் ஒரு பக்கம் இருந்தாலும் டயட் இன்னொரு பக்கம்.
Correct. Absolutely.
என்ன சாப்பிட்டார் எஸ்டிஆர்? இந்த மாதிரி ஒரு லுக்கு கொண்டு வரதுக்கு என்ன மாதிரியான விஷயங்கள் வந்து அவர் சாப்பிட்டு அதை?
So this is a big journey for me. I've seen him eat 5 biryanis a day.
5 பிரியாணிஸா?
And
5 பிரியாணி ஒரு நாள்ல?
And he used to curse me saying that you have so much body, why are you not able to eat? You are better or me? I am better. I can able to eat so much. Then from there he decided suddenly that he will become a vegetarian, because I wanted him to reach there however he wants to, and my job was to help him get there, and rather not make him strictly stick to something, because he was never that kind of a character. Like for example, you know, maybe another client I would have, you know, used a carrot or a stick, but then he works in a different algorithm. So once I understood that, I was like, you know, I was helping him to be a certain way, and he was understanding that this person is traveling with me, so let me put in more effort. So this cycle of events were very helpful in getting there. More than, you know, the training was, I told you how much it was intense. So if that much to recover from the training, you need to nourish yourself, and you know, you can't skip meals, you can't eat empty calories and all that. So we paid a lot of attention to eating, you know, good amount of green vegetables which are local, you know, not you know, the fancy asparagus and all that. You know, we wanted to, he has a good flavor profile. He loves food. So and he used to cook for himself, like I told you. So all that, he used to make his food likable and health, you know, nutritious, so that he can enjoy the whole process. And I always believe that, you know, you should never put yourself in a state where you're doing, you know, dieting matlab, it should not be like a jail. You know, when is it getting over? Yeah. This should not be your thought. It should be like, you know, wow, you know, I'm loving the process. That is when you have a lifestyle change.
சிம்பு அவர்கள் எவ்வளோ நேரம் ஒர்க் அவுட் பண்ணுவார் ஒரு நாளில்? லைக் ஜிம் ஒர்க் அவுட் மட்டும், நீங்கள் ஸ்போர்ட்ஸ் சொன்னீங்க, ஸ்விம்மிங் சொன்னீங்க.
So compulsory around 60 minutes in the morning and 60 minutes in the evening.
In the gym?
In the gym.
Okay.
So that may be a plyometric workout, that may be a strength training workout, that may be a, you know, a HIIT workout. So, you know, we used to, like in the gym also, he wants variety. So I used to, you know, like, and today he's in a mood to do more of cardio based workouts. Today he's in a mood. So it was challenging for me also, because, you know, I'm a person who likes to stick to the plan. But then, you know, when the client is kind of, you know, he wants something. So at the end of the day, you have to work hand in hand. Then only the result comes.
பொதுவாக இந்த மாதிரி ஆக்டர்ஸ் வந்து படங்களுக்காக ட்ரான்ஸ்ஃபார்ம் ஆகிறது வந்து நிறைய வீடியோஸ் நம்ம பார்த்துருக்கோம். ஃபார் எக்ஸாம்பிள் தங்கல் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா ஆமீர் கான் ட்ரான்ஸ்ஃபர்மேஷன் வீடியோ ஒன்று இருக்குது. நிறைய பேருக்கு அது வந்து இன்ஸ்பைரிங்காக இருக்கும். ஸோ சிம்பு அவர்களோட இந்த ஃபோட்டோ பார்த்தே அவங்களோட ஃபேன்ஸ்க்கு வந்து ஒரு இன்ஸ்பிரேஷன் இருக்கும். நம்ம ஏன் வந்து நம்ம சிம்பு மாதிரி நம்ம வந்து நம்ம உடம்பு மாற்றக்கூடாது. கண்டிப்பாக வந்து ரெக்கார்ட் பண்ணியிருப்பீங்க நிறைய வீடியோஸ். அது ஒரு ட்ரான்ஸ்ஃபர்மேஷன் வீடியோவாக விட்டால் அதுக்கான ஒரு ரீச் இருக்கும், அதுக்கான ஒரு ஃபேன்ஸும் அதை பார்த்து இன்ஸ்பயர் ஆவாங்க இல்லையா? அதுக்கான ஐடியா அவர் வச்சிருக்காரா?
Brother, I'll tell you this much, that you guys are in for a treat till next Diwali.
Till next Diwali?
Diwali, not this Diwali, till next Diwali. He's planned celebration, like he's working on himself. He wants to, you know, inspire people. He wants to do good for humanity. You know, the main reason for changing himself was that if I change this, I don't have to talk much. People will see and they'll understand that by putting in hard work and effort, you can also change. Because I have changed. He only says that he's the worst example of a person, that, you know, he was 4 years not doing anything, you know, too dull and all that, lethargic. How he is now, if you see the amount of energy in his, You know, his eyes, in a short period of 2 weeks, I came back from Kerala, went to Madurai. He's a different person. So, like, you know.
So he's tired of being that old version.
I don't know what version that was, but this is a treat for everybody. Like, you know, I'm so happy that I was a part of this journey. I was able to get him somewhere. A person who was, you know, who had an image of X, completely changing it to, you know, like completely 180-degree transformation, and like oozing out life now. You know, that is something which is to be cherished. And I am sure, like as you said, your transformation video coming soon.
Right.
Coming soon. And you mentioned about Dangal. This will be next level.
அது என்னங்க ஆத்மன்? ஏன்னா ஒரு கோட் ஒன்று அந்த வீடியோலே வந்தது, when the student is ready the teacher arrives அப்படிங்கிறது. பொதுவாக நிறைய ஸ்பிரிச்சுவல் புக்ஸில் அதெல்லாம் இருக்கும். இட்ஸ் a spiritual quote, more of a spiritual quote. ஸோ டைட்டிலும் ஆத்மன் அப்படிங்கிற ஒரு ஸ்பிரிச்சுவலான ஒரு டைட்டில் மாதிரி இருக்குது. What is it about?
Afraid I can't share more. I would want him to talk about his vision, because this is something very close to his heart, and I can only say that this is something which is you know, making you understand your purpose more than anything else, and how your consciousness has to take control. You should never do anything for like a surface level satisfaction. You know, the more people are consciously doing any kind of job, you know, when I'm consciously wanting to change my body, I will change. When I'm consciously wanting to, you know, get into a relationship, I'll get into a relationship, and I'll I'll have a healthy one. When you are ready, automatically you get to hear what you want to hear. You know, with Atman, I think, you know, he's going to change a lot of people's perspective, and that is his goal. And you know, to basically do good. So much negativity around us. Everybody is feeding negativity. Like, you know, for example, Ishwaran First Look came out. There are still people commenting that it's Photoshop and all that. That evening, look came out from the shooting spot. Now answer.
Yeah.
So we have to make sure that, you know, whatever anybody is putting some kind of small effort also, we have to, you know, push them forward or give some kind of positive comment, and, you know, not criticize anybody, because, you know, the world is sick of criticism. You know, so that is, yeah. So on these lines, Atman is coming soon.
ஸோ பொதுவாகவே நாங்கள் பார்த்த வரைக்கும் சிலம்பரசன் அப்படிங்கிற ஒரு நபர் வந்து கொஞ்சம் இமோஷ்னல், கொஞ்சம் சென்சிட்டிவ். அதுவும் எப்போ அவர் வந்து இமோஷ்னல் ஆவார்னா, அவரோட ஃபேன்ஸ் பற்றி பேசும்போது, அவருக்கு ரொம்ப க்ளோஸாக இருக்கக்கூடிய அம்மா அப்பா அவங்கள பற்றி பேசும்போது, அவங்க கூட நிற்கிறவங்கள பற்றி பேசும்போது கொஞ்சம் இமோஷ்னல் ஆகிடுவார். இன்றைக்கி நீங்களும் அந்த மாதிரி ஒரு இடத்துல இருக்கீங்க. அப்படி இருந்த சிம்புவை இப்படி மாற்றுறதுக்கு ஒரு காரணமாக இருந்திருக்கீங்க. ஸோ அவர் அந்த ரிசல்ட்டை பார்த்ததுக்கப்புறம் உங்ககிட்ட என்ன சொன்னார்? when he saw that things are changing physically, ஏதாவது விஷயம் ஷேர் பண்ணார் உங்ககிட்ட?
See, I am 29. He's 36 or something. And he's an established superstar, whatever. He's achieved everything in his life. But when he comes to training, he has that guru-shishya relationship with me.
Oh.
So that is something which, you know, you can't teach people. It has to be in their system. And as you said, he's a very emotional person. Once he saw, you know, birthday time only, once he saw that, he was like tears in his eyes. And people around him also, because he is unconditionally having love towards you, unconditionally loves his fans, unconditionally loves his friends, unconditionally loves his family. You get that unconditional love from somebody, no? You want to give more. And this, when we touched 75, his goal was to touch 75 actually from the lockdown. He went back to 96, and from 96 he wanted to come down around 75. So when he touched 75, he was like, you know, emotional, and, you know, it was, I can't put it in words, but, you know, it's still chills and goosebumps, but it's very, whenever I talk about it, it's, you know, it's very close to my heart, like that feeling, because at the end of the day, you work for satisfaction. You don't work for money. This is all side things. But when you work for satisfaction, you know, that thing that when you changed your profession, when from IIT everybody is saying that, you know, why are you leaving this? Why are you leaving that? Why are you doing this? So, you know, when you achieve something like this magnitude, it's something which cherishes you, and it's like a proof to the world that, you know, you do what you love, you will always be, you know, that is why we live.
எப்படி வந்து நடுவில் சேஞ்ச் பார்க்கும்போது உங்ககிட்ட என்ன சொன்னார் நீங்கள் சொன்னீங்க, அப்போ சில பேர் தான் அந்த டிரான்ஸ்ஃபர்மேஷனை பார்த்துருப்பாங்க. அவர் இவ்வளோ பண்ணதுக்கு காரணம் வந்து அவருடைய ஃபேன்ஸ் அதை பார்க்கணும் அப்படிங்கிறது. அன்றைக்கி அந்த லுக்கு ரிலீஸ் ஆச்சு இல்லையா, அப்போ அவங்க ஃபேன்ஸ் எல்லாமே பார்த்தாங்க, சோஷியல் மீடியா எல்லாமே ட்ரெண்டிங். அந்த நாள் கண்டிப்பாக அவர் வந்து உங்ககிட்ட பேசியிருப்பார். அன்றைக்கி சிம்பு அவருடைய மைண்ட் செட் என்ன வந்தது?
So when the first look came out, Mahat also was there in the caravan, and like all three of us were crying. All three of us, it's a very close moment to my heart. Like it was, you know, we just hugged and we just were there in that moment. I will never forget that moment in my life. And without our knowledge, tears started coming, because see, this is something we, from day one, Mahat, we had a challenge. All this is just a part of fun. But at the end of the day, to be able to change somebody, and that person also is wanting to transform and change his lifestyle, and we got there against all odds. That was something which is, you know, magical. And you know, like I don't have words, brothers. It's very close to my heart, like, you know, and more to come. I'm so excited. Like now it's just a start. I'm glad to say that this is just a start for Simbu, and you know, it's magic is going to come next. It's more than anything, you know, he wants to do it for his fans. He's not at all wanting for himself anything. He has everything. The projects he's doing now also, he's so immersed into giving something back, you know, because he sees that what has happened to him in this 4 years, people have created images of him, you know, he in a bad light and all that. If they can do that to him, everybody is facing that. In the society, that's the problem. That's the virus in the society. Not coronavirus is just a small thing. This negativity, what is spreading in the society, and you know, everybody wants something which they don't have. You know, if somebody is going up, they can't see. You know, all these negative activities and negative energy has to stop. That is his main goal.
ஃபைனலாக ஒரு சில விஷயம் வந்து நம்ம டிரெக்டாக ஒருத்தரை பார்த்து நம்ம சொல்கிறது கொஞ்சம் தயக்கமாக இருக்கும். ஸோ இன்றைக்கி இந்த இன்டர்வியூ மூலிமா இவ்வளோ நாள் வந்து அவர் கூட ட்ராவல் பண்ணியிருக்கீங்க, சிம்பு அவர்கள் கூட, இதுக்கு மேலேயும் ட்ராவல் பண்ண போகிறீங்க. ஏதாவது ஒன்று சொல்ல மறந்த விஷயம், இல்லை சொல்லணும்னு நினச்சி சொல்லாமல் விட்ட விஷயம் ஏதாவது இருக்கா?
Okay, I've been thinking for a couple of days to tell something to him, but I couldn't because of whatever reasons. But I want to say that first, thank you so much for believing in me, and you know, proving to not to yourself, not to me, but to the world that anything is possible when you have that relentless hard work and belief, nothing else. And more than anything, you will have so many things in life which will pull you down. You will have people who are, you know, not everybody will be, you know, pushing you forward. You will have bad times, but at the end of the day, what we have to remember is that especially for you, Simbu, that you have a higher purpose in life. You have spoken so much about it, and you know, I wish all the best for you to convey whatever you have in your top floor to the world, and through that change and get satisfied. Like, you know, I know what you're thriving to do for the world and for your fans. This is just a start, and I wish you get all the energy from everywhere to, you know, continue being on that path, and you know, like, may God be with you all the time, like he's always been there. Like, you know, he has a divine hand on him. So I wish him all the best, and I love you, brother.
Great job, brother. I have to tell you
Thank you
this.
so much.
Great job.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Please continue.
Thank
doing
you,
this.
Simbu. Great job.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, brother.
All the best.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Thank you for so much.
இந்த வீடியோ உங்களுக்கு பிடிச்சிருந்தா லைக் பண்ணுங்கள். இதே மாதிரி நிறைய வீடியோஸ் பண்ண தான் போகிறோம். உங்கள் ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ் அண்ட் ஃபேமிலிக்கு மறக்காமல் ஷேர் பண்ணுங்கள். என்ன தோணுதோ கமெண்ட் பண்ணுங்கள். 52 லட்சம் பேர் எங்கள் ஃபேமிலிக்கு சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணியிருக்காங்க. ஸோ நீங்களும் மறக்காமல் சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்கள்.
இப்போ பார்க்க போகிறது கன்னியாகுமரி மீன் குழம்பு.
ஏன் மெட்ராஸ்லலாம் வச்சா
போலீஸ் பிடிச்சிருமா?
செம.
உதயம் வர்ணா கலர்ஃபுல் தீபாவளி. கலக்குங்கள் உதயம் வர்ணாவோடு. லிங்க் இன் டிஸ்கிரிப்ஷன்.